So you're having one of those weeks. You're stressed out. You've got a few money worries. You're not eating or sleeping too well. You're not feeling yourself. You've stopped seeing friends.
I've stopped seeing friends.
I can't trust people.
I don't know what's real.
I'm getting messages and signs.
I can't stop thinking.
I'm seeing a more vivid world.
I'm me, but a different me.
I'm invincible.
I've been chosen.
She's not making any sense.
He's acting weird.
She won't listen to anyone.
They all think he's gone mad.
Are they going to lock him up?
What should we do? We know what to do. We understand how upsetting psychosis can be. It's more common than you think. We know it can get better. We can help.
Yasha was a bright, dedicated college student in her early 20s. She lived in a dormitory with her friends, Jarlu, Jenica, and Koi. They were known for being academic achievers and being creative spirit. But lately, Yasha had been struggling with something she didn't fully understand. Yasha had been hearing voices and seeing things that weren't there. At first, she thought it was just stress, but now it was becoming harder to ignore.
Sino yan? Uy, Yasha. No. Okay ka lang? Oo, ganun na bakit na? Oo. Parang mo lang ang sarili mo. Ah, hindi. Ano lang. Pagod lang. Pero okay lang ako. Sigurado ka ba? Kasi lately, napapansin ko sobrang stress mo. Oo, sa workload lang talaga ng school natin. Pero okay lang ako. Pero kapag may problema ka, pwede mo naman sabihin sa amin. Nandito lang kami para sa amin.
The next day, Yasha walked across the bustling college campus, her mind racing with thoughts. She saw a shadowy figure out of the corner of her eye and stopped, looking around anxiously. Professor Ian, one of her favorite professors, approached her.
Yasha,
Sir.
you seem distracted. Okay ka lang ba?
Opo, medyo pagod lang po pero okay lang po ako.
If you ever need to move your assignment, don't hesitate to ask. Your well-being is important.
Thank you, sir. I-appreciate ko po ng sobra.
Okay.
Good afternoon, I am Doc Jed. Anong name mo?
Ako po si Yasha May Mijares.
Ilang taon ka na?
20 years old.
Kailan birthday mo?
November 28, 2003 po.
So, kamusta ka naman ngayong araw?
Dok, hindi po maganda po yung nararamdaman ko lalo na po sa paligid ko. Nakakarinig po ako ng mga boses and every day mas lumalakas po sila. And nakakita rin po ako ng mga bagay na wala naman talaga. Natatakot po ako.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Have you noticed any patterns or triggers?
Well, mostly when I'm stressed or when I'm trying to study, but sometimes it just comes out of nowhere.
So let's work on some grounding techniques. This can help you stay connected to reality. And we should also discuss the possibility of medication to help you manage the symptoms.
Medications po, Doc? I was hoping it would just go away on its own.
Medication can be very effective. It is worth considering. You don't have to go through this alone, Yesha.
Well, I will think about it po. Thank you, Doc Chen.
Back at the dorm, Yasha and her friends sat on their beds, facing each other. The three of them looked worried.
Yasha, we've noticed kasi na you're acting differently. Are you stressed? Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko sabihin sa inyo ito eh. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan magsisimula kung paniniwalaan niyo ako. Pero araw-araw kasi madalas kapag stress ako kaya nag-aaral ako, bigla na lang ako may naririnig. Bigla na lang ako may nakikita kung ano. Pero kapag tinibignan ko naman, sinecheck ko, wala naman doon. Kapag may mga narinig akong mga kung ano na nakakatakot siya. Ano siyang tumatawa sa akin, malakas, malapit sa tenga ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung totoo sa hindi.
Ang seryoso naman ng problema mo. May napagsasabihan ka na ba niyan?
Actually, aside sa therapist ko kayo pa lang. Ang hirap kasi yung i-disclose ko sa iba kung ano yung isipin nila sa akin. Pero, sinabihan din naman ako ng therapist ko na gawin kung meron mga times na umata ko yung mga ganung pagkakataon. And sinabihan niya rin ako na i-consider ko yung medications pero hindi ko alam kung
Ang katulong naman yung meds, pero alam mo, nandito lang naman kami. You can tell us. Where do you play?
Dito lang kami para sa'yo. Di ba?
sabi ka lang sa amin. Pero hindi curious ko. Promise walang judgment.
No judgment. Saan? Bubugin ko yan.
A week later, Yasha was in the lounge, trying to study. She heard the whispers again and tried to focus. She took a deep breath and used the grounding technique Dr. Jed had taught her. Professor Ian, who happened to be in the library, approached her.
Yesha,
Sir,
Missy Marcos today. Kamusta ka naman?
okay naman na po ako ngayon. I feel better dahil po sa techniques na pinapagawa po sa akin ng therapist ko po.
Good to hear. It's okay to take a break. Minsan, kailangan mo din pahinga at saka mag-enjoy. Kung may kailangan ka, pwede mo naman akong kausapin.
Yes, sir. Thank you po sa support ninyo. Na-appreciate ko.
Okay, sige, una na ako kasi may next class pa.
Sige po, sir. Ingat
Ikaw,
po.
ingat ka din.
Thank you po.
A shadowy figure moved again, but Yasha took a deep breath and focused, determined to push through.
How have you been, Yesha? Any changes since our last session?
I feel better now, Doc. I've been trying the grounding techniques that you've told me to do, and they help a bit. but I'm also considering the medications po.
That's a good progress. Pero tandaan mo, managing the symptoms takes a lot of time and effort. Pero maganda yung ginagawa mo. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang.
Thanks, Doc Jet. I feel like I'm understanding this a bit better now. And nakakatakot, oo, pero ngayon mas alam kong hindi ako nag-iisa.
That's very important. Keep leaning on your support system. Andito kami lahat para tulungan ka.
Yesha left Dr. Jed's office feeling more hopeful. She knew the road ahead would be hard, but she also knew she didn't have to walk it alone. Fade out as Yesha walks through the campus, a determined look on her face, ready to face whatever comes next.